everyone, it's Claire from My Heart Maggie, and today I'm back with a tutorial showing you how to make a never-ending card. So if you're a seasoned crafter, then you probably already know what a never-ending card is, but if you're new to card making, there's always a new card to be learning. This is one of my favourite cards to make because it's just so magical for people receiving it, but it's so easy to make as well. So I think you really have to see it to believe it. So we have our start, then our card opens, then it opens again, then it opens again, and then it's back to the start. And they call it a never-ending card because you literally can be going around in circles all day long. But it's a really fun card to make, and I'm looking forward to showing you, and I hope that you enjoy this video. To start my never-ending card, I have 2 pieces of card cut to 6 by 6 inches. So these are the corresponding coordinating papers from the paper pack. So I'm just going to use these as they are. This paper is probably my favourite paper ever. And I've got a lot of paper, but it's just beautiful, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is I need to cut these in half, so I've got 4 pieces, so I'm just going to do that now. Now I've got 4 pieces of card and they're 3 inches by 6 inches, so really easy to measure out. And all I'm going to do is measure 3 inches, mark the middle of the paper, and then I'm going to fold the sides into the middle like so, and I'm just going to repeat that on all the 4 pieces. So now I've got my 2 pieces of card for the bottom. I'm just going to line them up so they're level. And I'm going to use some double-sided tape, and I'm going to put the tape here, here, here and here. Just about 2 centimetres of tape just in the outer corners, because we want the card to be able to move in the middle. I'm just going to peel the tape off, make sure I'm 100% lined up, and I'm going to take my top bits and I'm going to place them so the folds here are this way, but now I'm going to turn it on its side so the folds are this way, and I'm just going to line it up as best as I can, and then line it up with this side also. That's my first piece on. So what we can do now is we can decorate our first side, our second side, our third side, and our 4th side, if you like. And then every time they turn it over, they have something new to look at. So it's really cool. So I've cut a heart with a peacock on for my card, and then I'm just going to get my paper trimmer and slice it in half. So I'm just going to roughly judge where half is. I'm going to use Dove Craft Ultimate Craft Glue Clear Drying to stick it down. I'm literally going to put it all over the back, just a really light layer, using circle motions. Line it up and stick it down. If this will open like this, I'm just going to gently go along the fold of opening it up, so then the heart will crease in the same place as the rest of the card. And I think on here I'm I'm going to use these butterflies that I got from Butterfly Kisses and just put one either side. They're really cute because the wings do flap up, but they won't affect the card from folding. Just remember when you're making your card that you're always the right way up. So the heart is facing this way, so when I open it up, the butterflies need to face this way. The next time I open it up, you'll see this top bit here. So this will be my next bit. So I just need to remember that anything that I put here will be seen on the fold before. So for the next layer, I've got 2 glitter decoupage hearts that I got from a decoupage pad, and then on my label I stamped the words love you for the top and the bottom. So I'm just going to stick that down now. On this page I did the half a doily, and then I found this sentiment from the paper pack which said with love, so I cut it in half and stuck it either side, and then I just finished it with some of these gorgeous gems from the Butterfly Kisses range. Now we're at the back at the start of our card, so I need some kind of wow factor on the front, so I need a little bit of a sentiment. So in one of my recent videos I showed you that I got these mini iridescent Scrabble tile letters from Dovecraft, and I chose a short quote. Best Mum, I'm making this for Mother's Day, which has been and gone now, but it's a nice short quote that will fit inside these 2 gaps here, because when the card folds you don't want to be having your sentiment fold. So I'm just gonna place these on the card. Here is my finished card. So I've got my Best Mum sentiment. I think I forgot to mention that these were $1.99 from Dovecraft. Got them from the craft label in my design package, but really useful, really shiny. And then I added some Simply Creative star gems that I picked up at the range last week. So if we start spinning, so we have our Best Mum, then we have these butterflies, and I'll probably write my message to my mum on this bit here. Open it up to the next layer, you've got the roses and the love you, and then on the last flip you've got with love and the doily and the gems. So, and you can literally just keep going round and round all day long, and that's why they call it the never ending card. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, hope that you give it a go. If you do like the video, like and subscribe, and I will be back with more videos soon. So take care, bye bye.